Why, hello there, YouTube. Today is December 27th, and I'm out for another little spin today. I checked my records in the back of the bike. I keep really good records of the miles when I change the oil, the miles when I change out a new tire. You know, I keep immaculate records. So I'm at 83,824. I'm just over 4,000 miles. I checked it. I'm at 4,044 miles on this oil. So I'll go for a ride and go home and change it out. And then I'll grease my U-joints. Every time I change the oil, I grease my U-joints front and back. So that way hopefully they'll last a little longer. Than I'm on my third third or fourth front U-joint, but that's probably third. 83,000 miles, so not too bad. But anyway, I'm gonna go home, and a little bit nicer day today. The clouds are broken up, so I'll go home and change my oil, grease my U-joints. I don't know if I'm changing the front tire yet. I'm keeping an eye on that. I probably have I don't know how many thousands of miles I have on that front tire, but I use the Avon Trike front tires, and man, they just last a long time. I'm probably at 18,000 or so or more miles. I think I've gotten like 21 out of them before. So it's still got some good tread. It's not, once it starts getting a little bald, I got a new tire in the garage. I'll take the whole front tire off and take it in the shop, and they usually charge me 20 bucks. And I already have the ceramic beads. I just put 2 ounces in a bag and they put them in. That way they charge me 20 bucks to just put the new rubber on, and I put it back on. But anyway, it's pretty nice. Today I only have on my mesh jacket, and yesterday I had on a little bit warmer jacket. So it's a little bit nicer today. I don't know what it is. I just got out of the garage, so it's not going to be accurate. It's probably close to 70. That's pretty cool, right? For December 27th. That's why I love South Texas. You know, we get our cold snaps, but, you know, it may last a day or two. We can turn on the heat maybe a day or two a month, if needed. But anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, I'm going to take a ride over to Central Texas Power Sports again. I was over here yesterday. I know they don't have any 2020s yet, but give me something to do. Take a ride. Boy, I really like those four-wheelers. Those are pretty darn cool. If I had about 80 acres, I'd have one. Anyway, ooh, those are cool too, but they got they got the 2020 Rikers, so that's what I don't understand. Why is it taking them so long to get the 2020 RTs? I do like the front end of the 19 RTs. I do like that a little bit better. I like it because it's more paint, but the new one has the light bar across here, and these are not LED, so everybody had to change them out. So the new light bar is all LED. It's got a couple highlights, but I do like the front end of this a lot better than the other one. I like that blue. I hope the new blue's like that. That's pretty. But the only thing that I really never liked about these is that back end. I just don't like that back end. This just goes deep. I really love the F3 back end, which they put on the new ones. This is pretty though, and it's black, which I'm gonna get. I do like these things. I always liked them. I just never bought one. It just scared me to buy one, but I'm buying one this time in the 2019s. I mean 2020s, sorry. Because they go way out, the floorboards go out, so you no longer need highway pegs because you got a lot of movement. These you don't have a lot of movement. They're making good deals on these now. You're about $5,000 off, which can be pretty cool. Here, out the door, 26. That ain't that great. Ain't that great. Well, that's with includes. That's probably not that bad because that's TT&L out the door. That's kind of not bad. See, they got the. I don't really care for the Rikers, but they're kind of funky. A little bit too funky. Oh, they're comfortable though. They'd be kind of fun, but they're just funky. Funky monkey. I guess they're made for the young people, which can be cool. If I was young, I'd probably get one. It'd be fun. Anyway, I'm waiting for the 2020s, and they're not here yet. It's December 27th. Sometime in January, they said they'll be getting some. I won't get mine probably till February, because we're going to go to Hawaii, and I don't want it in the garage, because then I'll be in a hurry to get home. So I'll just wait. But those are pretty, because it's clouding up again. I do like the 19s. I like the front end. I think the front end's really cool. I just don't care for the back end. I just never did care for it. I mean, I would have bought one if they didn't change them. But they changed them so nice that I really like the oh, there we go. Got that open. That's cool. See, there's some room in there, but it just looks kind of funky. I just think they're funky looking. Oop, didn't close. I guess you got to just push on it. This one doesn't open. Oh, it did open. See, that's deep. I don't really care to. It's not a lot of room back there. The new one, you can put 2 full-face helmets in here. See this, and they made them better like this too. The old trunk wasn't that great. This one's pretty good. This one's actually pretty good. Anyway, I just always like looking at them. They're fun to look at. I do like that front end. I like the art. The front end, the 2020s don't have a lot of paint. See, these had a lot of paint, and I like that. I don't like all the black plastic like the 2020s had. I wish they had more paint like that. Maybe they'll surprise us and paint the damn things instead of leaving them all that black plastic. See, I like the front end on this. It's all painted. You got black paint, you got blue paint. It's all painted. There's no, the only white black plastic is down there and over there. But I don't know, I think they're cheaping out on them and not painting them, leaving that nasty plastic that I don't like. Anyway, that's gonna head home and change my oil. Bye. Well, hello there, YouTube. I think right before I got gas in this tank, I got 42.58 miles per gallon, and I had like 176 miles, and I still had a half a tank. Look where I'm at today. I'm under a quarter of a tank, and I got 109 miles. So what a difference. The kind of gas you get. I don't know if I got the big old tanks were empty and I got watered down gas, or if they just bought new gas in and it was crappy gas. It's just it's a crapshoot what kind of gas you get at any given gas station here. I mean, sometimes you get great gas and you get 42 miles per gallon. Sometimes you get crappy gas and you get 20 miles per gallon. What the hell? We need to have much higher regulations on what people can do to gas when they get it, or whenever they are doing this, because it's really bad. So I'm going to leave this on and see how many gallons I put in, and I'll check my mileage. I'll turn it back on in a little bit anyway. I'll get gas first. This is crappy. 109.5 and I'm almost out of gas. I had 167 and a half a tank the other day, and it's got the same gas at Walmart too, which is odd. Anyway, I turn it back on a little bit. Okay, here we go. I have 109.6 clear. 109.6 divided by Oh, this is terrible. 4.579 equals 23.9 miles per gallon. On the gas I got over there, conditions aren't changed at 68 degrees, 29.93, and I got 42.58 before. So tell me that gas is equal. That's just crap. It's a crapshoot here in the United States. You get good gas, you get watered down gas. You get watered down gas, you get more watered down gas. I don't know what it is, but it's kind of frustrating. But 23.9 versus 42.5. That sucks. That's maddening. Anyway, bye.